Hi everyone, if you are new here, my name is Sylvia and in this video I will show you how to make a Christmas card with die-cut elements. For the pine branches I use a paper which was called watercolor paper by the cover, but this is the worst quality I ever bought, so I cannot use it for painting watercolor pictures. But I didn't want to throw it out, so I use it for these projects. When you would like to have a gradient paper, it is a nice technique to paint it by watercolor. You can have pretty shades with that. I used washi tape to stick the paper to the surface while I paint. It helps to keep the paper straight while it will dry. First I use a big paintbrush to make the paper wet, then I put the paint on the paper in the variety how I would like to have it. You have to wait until it is 100% dry, because we will use a die cut which will have tiny branch pieces and we don't want to tear the paper. For this project I used Sizzix die number 664581. This set comes with 9 different leaf dies and one of them is perfect for making pine breads. I put a link in the description box where you can find a place to buy it. I will need 6 pieces from these green branches and I try to cut it out in a way like having light and dark green shades too in a branch. It is very important to clean out the tiny paper pieces from the die cut before you use it again, so it will make a very nice and sharp cutting next time. I have a white card base, its size is 15 by 15 centimeters and the background is a wooden paper. I cut it to the right size and you can decide whether you use it in a vertical or in a horizontal way. And I cut a little piece for the inner side of the card. I use double-sided tape to stick the background and the base together. Then I plan how I will place the branches and then I stick them with liquid glue. I use a heavy object to press down the pieces while the glue is drying. At the end, I realized that I have some empty space in the wreath, so I cut out one more branch. I'm using stamp to have the sentiment Merry Christmas in my language. I put some red rhinestones on the wreath and the red ribbon. And it's ready. If you like my videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I hope you will have a wonderful period of time.